Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow manage phone permission on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings, and then in here tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, tap on the more button here, or the option button. Then from the pop-up, tap on permission manager. Next, scroll down and then tap on phone. In here, go down the list and open up an app that you want to manage. So for example, tap on contacts. In here you can choose allow or don't allow the contacts app to have access to your phone. So simply choose allow or don't allow. If you choose don't allow, there will be a pop-up. Tap on don't allow anyway, and that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.